Hi, so we are here to speak about Twitter, which is a tool to automate your Twitter account. It has many features that can save you a lot of time. I personally believe that many great online marketers out there, including Guy Kosaki, use tools to automate their account. I'm using it for a month and a half now, and it helped me a lot. I believe that this is a must-have tool for every online marketer out there. So everybody wants a lot of followers in Twitter, so we can sell our product too. And we all know that the way to achieve that requires a daily task of adding followers and removing them, those who didn't follow us back. And it is a boring task that we all hate. And this is exactly where Twitter comes in, and in my opinion it's probably the best solution out there. It is a good combination of features, and it has a really reasonable price. So let's start checking what it is all about. This is the overview window that you see when you open the software. Here you can see an overview of the activities in your different accounts, the account statuses, if they're active or not, how many people you are following and how many are following you back, and the daily changes in these parameters. So let's zoom in to the settings of this account so we can see what exactly we can automate. Okay, so as you can see, there are many options. Okay, I won't mention all of them because in this video, because I want to keep it short. If you want to learn more, just go to my website, Success How To. There should be a link underneath the video where I will have more detail and tips how to get full use of this powerful software. Okay, before I go into this feature, only run automated task between, there is one thing I forgot to mention, that in order to understand, Twitter doesn't work through Twitter API. What it means is that the way it works is actually simulating browser activity. Therefore, Twitter, if you configure Twitter correctly, can't actually tell that there is an automatic software robot behind the activity. This is very strong. Okay, so for example, if you restrict the hours that you are using the software, it will be, just think that if you don't restrict, it will be much easier to understand that it is a machine that operating if it's operating 24/7. So, like in my example, if you want to make sure that you won't be discovered, just restrict the hours that you are using the software to around 12 hours or 13 hours, it will be okay. Moving to the next option, the proxies. You can see that Twitter support proxies. This is an option that you can use if you want to market to people in a specific location. Actually, I didn't use this feature, so I can't tell you if it works. The black and white lists. Okay, if you have people that you really want to follow, make sure to put them in the white list. Okay, because especially if you are, if they are hotshot gurus that don't want to follow back, Twitter will probably unfollow them automatically. And the blacklist is for you to put users that you consider spammers that you don't want to Twitter to follow. Okay, the next tab, search users to follow, is the purpose of this tab is to populate the to follow list. Okay, right now my to follow list is completely empty. There are several options that you can populate this to follow list with. First, you can do a search inside the tweets for several keywords, or specific location in the last few days, or specific language. You can do this manually, or you can do this in automatic process that is scheduled to do that whenever the follow list is empty, it will be triggered. Okay, you can also check inside a profile or specific location. You can follow the followers of a specific users, or the followers that follow a specific user, or you can just add people from specific Twitter list. What it's really nice about this is that it's really fast. Okay, let's just try. Let's try this one, the profile data search, for example. Let's check for the keyword need a vacation. If I press search now, you see it only took several, not even a second, and I found 62 users, and I just check them all, save them, and now you can see that I have 62 people in my to follow list. Okay, voila, it's done. Okay, so moving to the next tab, follow back, and unfollow. And here all the parameters are actually pretty the same for all the three. So I will just talk about the follow option. You can have it manually, but it's much stronger when we talk about the automation settings. This is where you get the full potential of the software when you choose it. However, you should be very careful not to exaggerate, or else you will be considered as a spammer, and your account might be suspended by Twitter. Sending around 400 follow requests a day is okay, as far as I know, and do it in intervals of 2 to 5 minutes, and it will be okay. The ratio option is actually a more advanced option that is meant for accounts with follower numbers closer to 2,000 or even above. I will discuss this option in my blog, so just tune in. The next option that I will mention is the tweets. Okay, this allows you to set a list of tweets that you can set on a timely manner. You can also set the option to send the tweets in a random order, or you can also check the endlessly reoccurring option, but I warn you that some people might not like it. Okay, you can set the numbers of tweets per day and the delay between each tweet. The last option is the ability to send custom default thank you message. You can define several messages and rotate between them. Really easy. Okay, I will leave you to your imagination how you can use this piece of software. TweetAdder is really helped me a lot in my business, growing my followers from 0 to over 1,000 in a month, completely autopilot. I didn't touch it. It is free to try this complete software until you add 250 followers through it. After that, it is a one-time fee of $55 lifetime for one account, or $110 for 10 accounts. There is also an option for 5 accounts or unlimited number. Just look in the website. I will put a link to it somewhere beneath this video, or in my website successhowto.com. I hope that this video has been helpful for you. Feel free to ask me any question or leave a comment. So until next time, bye for now.